Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel, here to do another video for you. This video will be all about skincare, my morning and night routine. I use Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel by Neutrogena to cleanse my face daily. Then I use a paper towel to pat it dry. Next I will take my hydrating serum. For my daily routine, I use the Black Tea Serum by Tony Moly. I'm not sure if this is necessary, but one of the things that I like to do is to really get my hands warm so that I can get that product to really penetrate within my skin layers. Once you get the product all over your face, you want to make sure you press it into the skin so that it really penetrates. This will allow the product to get below that first layer of skin. And we can't forget the eyes. For extra hydration, I like to use this Mary Kay Indulge Soothing Eye Gel underneath my eyes daily. Take note that I am using my ring finger to apply the product. This allows light pressure. This method prevents pulling on this very sensitive area. Now that I have washed my face, applied my serum, and my eye cream, it's time for the sunscreen. Never leave home without this. It's very important. Even if you are a woman of color, you still need sunscreen because UV rays do not discriminate. And now for the most important part of your skincare routine, moisturizer. I typically use Olay Total Effects, but I ran out. So for now, I'll use this L'Oreal Triple Active Day Cream instead. You want to be sure to massage this really good into your face so that you can maximize moisturization. And that, my friends, completes my day routine. As I do with my day routine, I start off with a clean face. Then I pat it dry with a clean paper towel. Then I take my alcohol-free toner by Neutrogena to go ahead and make sure that I have done away with all the excess dirt and oils. I typically use a cotton pad, but this paper towel will do for now. At night, I will take my hyaluronic acid serum by The Ordinary and apply that all over my face. It's very important to apply this serum all over your skin and use a patting motion to make sure that it penetrates, again, beneath the first layer of skin. The next product I will use is vitamin C. This is also by The Ordinary, and it will help to prevent dark spots and also repair dark spots on the skin. Again, use patting motions to penetrate the product deep down within the skin layers. Then comes the moisturization. I use Olay Regenerist for my night cream. And again, really massage that product into your skin so that you can receive maximum moisturization. And it's very, very important that you rub this all into your skin as well as your neck in upward motions so that you can prevent aging or signs of aging and sagging of the skin. I don't use this every night, but whenever I have dry skin, I tend to go ahead and apply my Josue Beauty Oil. This oil just helps to really lock in the moisture that I've applied all over my face. If you look closely, you'll start to see like some white residue forming on my face. This usually happens when I don't wash my hands in between products. So don't worry, nothing's bad is happening here. It's just malfunction. I really hate when that happens, but I didn't get to wash my hands in between products like I normally do because I really wanted to show you guys my nightly routine. Oh, I almost forgot my eye cream. So that was the Murad eye cream. To finish my routine, I add my lip balm. And now it's time for bed. Thanks, lovies. Thank you for watching. Bye.